Man, what go down, man? I know it's been a long time since I posted a video. Me and my son out here just watching the G8. You know, COVID been happening, man. Got a lot going on. We still got the truck. We still got, what the hell wrong with the lens, man? Hold on, let me get that right. Okay, cool. There we go. We still got the truck. We still got the G8. We've been doing things. We've been working hard, man. But right now, man, the G8 was had transmission problems. We kind of got that going. Project G8 is still up and going, man. We trying to get it right. As of right now, we just washing it. Nothing. I just want to give y'all some type of content, show y'all what's going on with it. We've decided we will be dropping the truck. We're gonna drop it. We just don't know what drop yet. So if y'all got any suggestions, please let me know, man. But other than that, man, we just going through a little basis, little wash. Y'all check us out, man. All right, just a simple wash, nothing major. Wasn't trying to do too much today. We'll be losing light anyway. Damn, sun's going down. But just some light, just to clean her up. We're gonna put her back in the garage. That's it, just wanted to give you guys a update on what's going on. I will be coming out with more content, man. Just working hard and trying to, damn, I can't get this. Can't get it in the picture, but working hard and trying. We still got the new bumper over there we got to put on. Anyway, man, y'all just holler at us. Let us know what y'all want to see, and I'll try to keep this content coming. Peace.